Hello everyone. It's quite an honor and privilege to be standing here on a stage of such great magnitude, twice in fact. And today, I feel a great sense of happiness to see many familiar faces among the crowd. Today, as you all might know, we gather here today to discuss a topic of paramount importance. Is artificial intelligence a threat to human employment? But before that, a brief note on change. Change is something very necessary for growth, and since it's an underlying factor for growth, we must embrace it rather than avert it. George Bernard Shaw, a great debater, famously wrote, I quote, "Progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything," unquote. Today, allow me to present three of the most important points that will help us understand the benefits of AI on human employment. We all appreciate when a job is done in a productive way. What do we consciously prefer? Quality of work or quantity of work? I am convinced that each and every one of you here prefer quality of work, or as I will call it, enhanced productivity. Thus, my very first point, enhanced productivity. AI technologies significantly boost productivity in the workplace by automating routine and repetitive tasks. This allows employees to focus on higher value work that require human creativity and decision making. For example, our very own teachers, they have tons and tons of preparation to do in order to teach effectively and efficiently. But most of the time and energy is drained by activities such as registering attendance, checking homework, or assessing marks on a test or an exam. What I'm trying to say here is AI boosts such activities significantly. We, as sentient beings, have always been in a quest to attain happiness. No one here, and I say no one, will deny the fact that satisfaction is the key to happiness. Thus, revealing my second point, improved job satisfaction. AI's ability to handle tedious tasks contribute positively to job satisfaction among employees. A significant proportion of employees report that AI tools make their work more enjoyable in a sense and create and dismiss stress associated with repetitive duties. For instance, suppose you are satisfied with your academics. Only then can I see you actively take delight in the co-curricular activities of the school. Otherwise, you will distress and won't be able to make the best use of the given opportunities, isn't it? Now, while there are concerns about job displacement and its existence, I can assure you, AI brings a whole new field of opportunities. Thus, bringing forward my third point, creation of new jobs. If we as a humanity wish to improve, we must, as I stated earlier, embrace the change rather than avert it. The demands for roles such as machine learning engineers, data scientists, AI specialists has risen so rapidly that I can say for sure that the future of the human employment seems safe and sound. The World Economic Forum projects that while 85 million jobs may be displaced by automation, around 97, you hear me, 97 new million jobs will be produced by the time of 2025, highlighting a net positive effect on human employment. Now let me make my long speech short, since the timekeeper looks very much likely to ring his bell anytime soon. In a nutshell, the advent of AI brings a wealth of benefits that can dramatically enhance job roles and create new opportunities. Remember, a better world is awaiting if only we are willing. Remember, a better world is awaiting if only we are willing. Remember, a better world is awaiting if only we are willing. Enough said for now. Thank you.
Thank you. We now invite Ms. Tenzin Choenyi to put forth a question.
So how can you say that AI is beneficial if you see the rapid pace at which AI is advancing outstrips the ability of education and training programs to reskill workers?
Thank you for your question. And your question is something which I call based on an assumption created by fictional stories, as only a few intellectual people like computer geeks, for example, know. The code at which AI is programmed allows it to never take over human creativity, the human race, which ultimately helps us in every aspect of life, not only human employment. Thank you.